Please, make me a cocktail.
Of course!
I'll do it. Well, first, I need to put candies in a mold and melt them in the oven.
What?
Let's do this. Oh, done! And what a fragrance! Well, guys, I got sweet cups. You can actually eat them. Here are my favorite Skittles. But first, I need to sort it out by color. Look at those hearts.
Oh.
Delicious. There we go. Now time for some soda. Oh, how do I open it? It's very difficult. Good thing I know a life hack. I need a hairpin for it. Whoa! Oh! It didn't really work as I thought it would. But I opened my soda. Pouring it in. Some whipped cream on top. And voila! Actually, let's add some more decor.